Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today let's fix a chicken wrap, an easy one. For that I've cubed some chicken breast. Let's transfer it to cooking pan. So I'm not adding any oil now. We let the water come from the chicken and we'll do the cooking in that water. So what this does is that it makes the chicken very tender. We'll see a lot of water coming from the chicken. So let the chicken cook well in the water. Cook till the water is almost evaporated. Now add some garlic powder, ginger powder, some pepper, some oregano or any Italian herbs of your choice, some cumin, some red chili flakes, and give it a good mix. Now we add some salt to your taste. Then we add the oil so that it gives a crispy finish to the chicken. You can skip the oil if you want to make it a healthier wrap. Now add some tomato puree. If you don't have tomato puree, you can add fresh tomatoes or tomato ketchup. Then add some chili powder. I use Kashmiri chili powder here. Give it a good mix till everything is well combined and well mixed. You can see it's well coated now. So now let's make a sauce for the wrap. For that I used yogurt, some mayonnaise. You can use homemade mayonnaise or store-bought. And then I've used sriracha sauce, extra hot here. You can skip that and use ketchup or any tomato based sauce of your choice. I'm using sriracha sauce for the kick here. Give it a good mix. It will give you a chipotle style sauce. Perfect dinner option or for your tiffin. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.